So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Spectrum Wi-Fi ports, pair, place, optimize and fix offline port. So what Spectrum Wi-Fi port do? Spectrum Wi-Fi port work like mesh extender. They expand your Wi-Fi signals to eliminate weak spots in your home, extend coverage, improve stability in far rooms, help reduce buffering and disconnects. Quick summary. Pair pod near router first. Move to midpoint location. Give 10 to 15 minutes to optimize. If offline, move closer and reboot. Step 1s are pair the Spectrum Wi-Fi pod. Follow these steps carefully. Install the Spectrum app. Download the Spectrum app on your phone. Log in using your Spectrum account. Plug in the pod. Plug the pod into a wall outlet near your router. Set up first only. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes for the light to begin blinking. Third is start pairing. In the Spectrum app, go to service, then internet, then Wi-Fi pod. Tap add pod. Follow the on-screen instruction. The pod will automatically pair with your router. Wait for solid light. If solid light then connected, blinking still pairing. Step 2 is best placement. Very important. Most problem happen because of wrong placement. Ideal position is place the pod halfway between router and weak area in open space, not hidden, at chest height if possible, away from thick walls or metal objects. Avoid are inside cabinets, behind TVs, near microwaves, at extreme corner of home. Tip pod must receive a strong signal themselves. They cannot boost a weak signal. So the step third are optimize performance. After placing, wait 10 to 15 minutes for optimization. Test Wi-Fi speed in the room. Move slightly if speed is still low. Good rule. Router, pod, weak area. Straight signal path. Fix offline pod problem. Check distance. Move pod closer to router, then power cycle. Unplug pod for 10 seconds. Plug back in. Restart router. Turn off router for 30 seconds. Turn back on. Re-add pod. Remove pod from app. Pair again from beginning. Update app. Make sure Spectrum app is updated. Common mistake people don't realize. Placing pod too far. Using power strip instead of wall outlet. Moving pod immediately after pairing. Expecting double speed. Pods improve coverage, not internet plan speed. Thank you.